Geoffrey Hinton publicly said we should throw away backpropagation and start everything from scratch. First of all, let me explain a bit about backpropagation algorithm. So this algorithm was first proposed in 1986 by a group of researchers. So this backpropagation calculates the gradients of the loss function in respect to the weights of the neural network and minimize the loss. If I put it in simple terms, backpropagation is the algorithm that simply helps to reduce the error in a neural network. If you want to know more details about how backpropagation exactly works, comment down below and we'll do a separate video on that. Till this day, backpropagation algorithm works really well. It's computationally effective and works really well. But this algorithm isn't inspired by how our brain works. Neural networks are inspired by our brain, but in our brain there is no backward pass. There's only forward pass. So researchers and scientists have discovered a new algorithm called forward pass, which was inspired by our brain. One of the co-founders of backpropagation, named Geoffrey Hinton, said it's time to completely remove backpropagation and start moving forward with a new algorithm called forward algorithm. So what is exactly this forward algorithm means? With forward algorithm, we don't have a loss function. We do all the learnings at the layer level. We consider each layer as a vector and we define a loss function for each layer. And our goal is to make this vector bigger for positive samples or smaller for negative samples using this loss function. And these positive samples and negative samples can be fed into the neural network or it can be generated using the network itself. So what are the main advantages and disadvantages of this forward algorithm? Few of the advantages are this doesn't have a vanishing gradient or an exploding gradient, and this doesn't also have a local minima, so it doesn't get stuck at a local minima point. And few other disadvantages of this forward algorithm is this is fairly new, so most of the researches are being done at the moment, and also this model hasn't been tested with larger models. So that's it for today. Catch you guys with another video.